Well, today I'm off to Dave's because I've bought a diff. Now, an RX-8 diff is pretty cheap if you buy one second hand. So instead of welding the thing and removing it, or removing it and then trying to weld it, what I've done is I bought an entirely spare one for £15 delivered, and we're going to weld that instead. We've got a practice diff.
Holy oh fuck! Steps upside down, that's your breather, that's your fill, and that's your drain. And the very first thing you do if you're doing anything with diff is, make sure you can get the fill open first.
Huh.
If you can't get the fill open, and you drain all the fluid out it, you fucked.
You have to pour it in a drive shaft hole or something.
Worst case scenario is you just have to start feeding it in a little teeny tiny bit of time with the breather.
We don't want to do that.
No, nobody wants to do that.
Would you like to guess how much I paid for this diff?
£100.
15.
£15!
Plus another 15 for the shipping.
Wow.
I'm pretty sure it was a listing mistake.
Wow. So somebody's lost out.
So the good news is we now have a practice diff. So these have gasket material pasted on.
Yes.
It's not like a metal fit, is it like a,
it's got
like
gasket
a blue
rust
Shaposky?
yeah.
Right, Dave, I've never seen inside a diff before. What the hell's going on in there?
That one, at the back.
Okay, yeah, I see the one spinning at the back. It's like a corkscrew almost.
It's your main drive.
From the engine.
From the engine.
And it is spinning this large disc, almost like a big geared brake disc.
All the spider gears, the ones on the inside.
So we're welding
all the ones on the inside.
Oh, as much as we can reach.
All of that.
So this is already a limited slip diff, but not enough limited that we can just lock both wheels and wrap our way around the track.
No. It would lock the other one, well, not lock it, it would lock it eventually.
Look at it though. It's like magical oil removal sauce. So, welder on 140 amps. This is about the hottest we will ever weld a thing. It's going to be tricky. You've not got a lot of room to play with there, have you?
Or skill. I lack a lot of skill.
This is why we have a practice diff.
Those welds will never hold. Probably not.
First welding session, Dave says, do not weld for too long because the hardened metal will be unhardened. Unhardened. Softened. Softened. Good job. We were good in school. Talk us through our diff, Dave. Crankshaft spins, this whole unit moves. But in this case, it is going to spin both sides at exactly the same time.
For it is full of weld. In there.
Oh, yeah. So what's with the spring inside? Is that part of the limited slip diff that was in there before?
I presume so, yes.
Not being a diff specialist.
No, not being a diff specialist. I presume it's part of the torsion diff or whatever fucking thing it is.
But the key question is, David, why is it here?
Yeah, because the other one doesn't come out.
Because the thing is now welded. What's the secret?
There's so much to take off. It's not feasible.
So it's almost like a gearbox, dismantle a transmission tunnel.
Yeah.
I don't know how people are doing it then. Like
They're doing that.
You think they're just doing it?
There's no way to get this out without dismantling the transmission
serious
tunnel.
dismantling. The finished product is good though. Though this diff sits on a workbench, the other one is welded to the car. So let's take a look at that. What did you have to remove to get into that thing? So it's been welded in situ.
So I took the exhaust off for starters.
Yeah.
And then the back cover plate off. Well, no, it doesn't come off. It just comes out of the way a little bit.
Oh, so like keep a bolt in and then swivel it round.
No, you take the whole thing off and then turn it upside down.
Okay.
And jam it up into the hole. It doesn't come out. Like that.
Can we do that thing that hops in the corner?
Oral break.
And that, girls and boys, is a welded diff. Good job, Dave. So there you have it. If you have an RX-8 and you can't get the diff off to weld it, you don't need to. You can just jam your way into it and just pump it full of as much steel as you can. And it looks like it's going to work. We'll find out when we take it on track. That'll be like the ultimate test. Anyway, short video. Thanks for watching.